Today I am reviewing this awesome plant stand. As you can see, we like houseplants around here. This was sent to us to review, and I thank them for that. It was very easy to put together. If you look closely, it has these little plastic slip connectors, and it comes with a teeny little rubber mount. Just tap them all into place. It also comes with a few tiny little gardening tools, which are extremely adorable. I'll probably give them to my son to play with, but it's a nice touch. Another nice touch is it comes with this hanging basket for this long section right here. And I really think it looks good. I like it a lot. It can be configured in 3 different ways. It's not heavy at all. You know, this is lightweight wood, and it has this nice little, you can see the detail on it, this distressed look to it. And I think this is a really good value. Here are the different ways it can be configured. We did it in the Type 1. Does it fit our space the best? Just this tall look here. And you can also do it where it's like kind of like a tiered, where you have like this and this. So if you want 2 separate places, you can do this Type 2 or the Type 3. Where it's not as tall, and then you can have it in 2 separate places. But yeah, we did it like this, and I'm super happy with it. It was pretty easy to put together. You just follow the directions. You don't need any tools. It comes with all the tools needed, so that's a nice extra touch. These slip connectors can be a little tricky at first, figure out how to line them all up, but overall wasn't too bad. You can see it has these slats here, and they're all pre-nailed, which is nice. So, nice plant stand. Really showcases all our house plants. They were scattered all around the house, and putting them in one place I feel was really nice, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.